my channel. I am Christina Danielle if you guys are new here, and if you're already a supporter, thank you guys so much for the continued support. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I assemble the Neewer Ring Light. So I got this on my birthday from my fiance. I was super excited because with me doing more makeup videos, I actually wanted to get like a better ring light so it's more light onto my face and stuff like that. So I was about to do a makeup video, but then I was like, let me put this together. And I know there's some people that hate like reading the directions, and some people are just visual. So I'm going to show you guys how I put it together. Hopefully it's not too bad. And I don't have any problems with it, but I'm super excited. I am in my son's nursery, so if you hear him or see him, you know, in between all of this, he's coughing right now. You okay, baby? But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get on into it.
Okay guys, so as you guys see, the box is kind of big, so I'm just reaching inside and getting the two parts that come in it. So the first part is the actual ring light itself, and there that is. And then the second thing in the box, which is what makes it so tall, is the actual stand, okay? So those are the two items that are in your box. Okay, so first I'm gonna take and open the stand. Okay, and inside that comes like a little thank you note from Neewer Ring Light, you know, and it comes in different languages. Okay, so now I'm just taking the plastic off of the stand. And then I'm just opening it up, and you can adjust it. I'm sorry I didn't get it in the camera view, but there's like little twist knobs that allow you to make it taller. And it actually gets really tall. I'll put the dimensions and things like that down in the description box for you guys. But those are the little twisty things that I was saying. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that to the side for now. All right, and now we're gonna actually open the ring light. Okay, so you get like a little carrying case for it. And so that's that right there, and the ring light is inside of it. So it's wrapped pretty good with like the soft foam stuff. So you're just gonna go ahead and easy, you know, taking your time, taking all that black foam out to expose your ring light. It was kind of tough getting it out, so just make sure you just get a firm grip and be gentle. Okay, so it comes with some extra pieces for your light, and those are the instructions how to set it up. Okay, so I learned the ring light that I actually have does not come with like the little covers and the extra pieces, so I have like the most basic one. So the setup is going to be pretty easy, okay, and those are the pieces that I was referring to. Okay, so I'm just going to take the stand, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach the ring light to the stand. All right, so at the top, you'll see like a little plastic piece. You're gonna unscrew that from your stand. Okay, all right. So now on the ring light, you'll see like a little screw or a knob that you can unscrew. You're gonna loosen that up, and then as you loosen it up, you're gonna see that your ring light is gonna kind of fit on that little knob, okay? And then once it's on top of that knob and completely secure inside, then you're gonna screw that piece back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it up, and I'm gonna show you guys how bright it is. It actually adjusts and show you, you know, with it and without it. So I'm super excited that I actually have this. I hope you guys will see a big difference in the quality of my videos now, especially my makeup videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. And this is with it and without it. Big difference, right?